Hello, Manfero and friends. My group will present you about one stay and two stray technique. And for the first, I will explain the introduction and objective of this technique, and my partner will continue the next part. So the first is introduction, and one stay two stray technique was developed by Spencer Kagan in 1992. And second is this technique are used for teaching collaborative skills from student. Next, and the next slide is about the objectives of these skills. And for the first objectives is introducing the procedure of teaching collaborative skills, so they will learn about the steps and how to do that. And the second point is providing course member so they can choose which skills seems important for the students and how to teach the skill. And the next point is from these techniques, students should have improvement in their speak, because this technique will improving their communication skills. And the last point is this technique also tell students to have long-term memory skills, so they will not easily forget about the material what they have learned or being learned in the class. And the next slide will present by my friend.
Okay, I will continue the presentation with part of my presentation. Now we move to suggested procedure. Suggested procedure consists of 6 steps. I will explain it one by one. Step 1. Review of 6-step procedure. Before make one stay to stray, we have to review and understand it first. Step 2. Visualization exercise. Before we start, the teacher have to know and aware the class atmosphere. Step 3. Choosing a collaborative skills. You have to decide the topic that will given to the student, and also we have to give suggestion for the student. For example, doing text and exchange each other opinion. Step 4. Planning to teach the skill. The teacher have to plan how the students share ideas or information in a group. Step 5. Sharing idea through one stay to stray. The stay has to learn from the strayer information who got the information from the other group. On the other hand, the stay has to share their information to the strayer from the other group. Step 6. Discussing one stay to stray. In this step, all of the students do the discussion and collaborative in original group. And then, from the group choose one to be a speaker to speak up in front of the class about what they have learned. I think that's all for our presentation today. Thank you for your attention.